What happens if you fast for 3 days? Hi everybody, welcome back to Health Hustlers. Boy, do we have a treat for you today. Today, we will talk about what exactly happens in your body if you fast for 3 days straight. No food, just plain old water. Watch till the end to see what dramatic changes happen in your body by the 3rd day. Let's dive right in. 0 to 6 hours. In the first 4 to 6 hours of your fast, your body is still processing the last meal you ate. When you eat, your body goes through a pretty complex process to turn the food into nutrients. Dietary fat is turned into fatty acids and are then used to power different functions of your body. The extra fatty acids you consume that are not needed at the moment for energy are converted into triglycerides. The triglycerides are then stored as body fat. Similarly, excess carbohydrates are converted to glycogen, which is a type of glucose your body can save up in the liver and muscles for later use. During digestion, an organ called the pancreas produces a hormone called insulin to help absorb glucose from the food. This whole process happens within the first few hours after what you normally eat, and the same thing happens all over again. But what if you stopped eating and continued the fast? Keep watching to find out what happens then. 6 to 12 hours. Between the 6 to 12 hours mark, your body will have run out of the energy it got from eating. All the glucose in your bloodstream is used up. So, by this time, your pancreas produces a new hormone called glucagon, which tells your body to begin releasing the stored-up glycogen and triglycerides to be used for energy. Ketones may also be produced by your body to provide energy. By the 10-hour mark, you will also start to feel hungry. But not for the reasons you may think. The hunger is not just because your body is low on calories. A big reason why you feel hungry or less energetic is because of your circadian rhythm. You are used to eating at certain times of the day, and ghrelin, the hormone that makes you feel hungry, spikes at these times. But worry not, since the pangs of hunger will go away in an hour or two. The 10-hour mark is also when your body will start producing the human growth hormone, or HGH for short. HGH prevents your body from breaking down your muscles as a source of energy. What it also does, though, is help repair muscles, repair injuries, and boost your immunity. The longer you fast, the more HGH your body will be producing. 12 to 18 hours. During the 12 to 16 hours window of fasting, your body will still be using glycogens and ketones for energy. You should also be ready to feel a bit cold by this point. You're not digesting any food anymore, so less what is being produced inside your body. While nearing the 18th hour of fasting, your glycogen levels will be low. Instead, your body will rely even more upon fatty acids and ketone production to meet the energy demands. HGH production will continue increasing even more. This increase is usually more drastic in men compared to women. Aside from all of that, another amazing thing will happen. Inflammation throughout your body, whether from diseases or other health issues, will be reduced. This is a good thing, as less inflammation is ideal for most people. So you will feel better as the inflammation is cleared away. What will also increase is the production of BDNF. BDNF, or brain-derived neurotropic factor, is known to promote the growth of neurons and synapses in your brain. Increased BDNF helps improve your learning capabilities and memory. If you want to study, there isn't a better time than this point in fasting. Between the 16 and 18 hours of fasting, a super interesting process called autophagy will be in full swing. Autophagy is a process in which your body starts eating away at folded proteins and old or damaged cells. This is incredibly healthy, as folded proteins are thought to cause Alzheimer's. Even bacteria and viruses, such as tuberculosis, mycotoxins, and herpes, are killed and reused. During this self-cleansing, all the garbage that's cleaned up is used as an energy source. You can think of it as your body detoxifying itself without needing any outside help, while also finding a creative way to get more energy. 24 to 48 hours. As you near the 24 to 48 hours of fasting, the glycogen stored in your liver and muscles will be gone completely. Now, the stored fats are what power you. This means that you will experience some weight loss from this point forward. There will be more fatty acids in circulation around your body as well, since pretty much your whole body is running on that stuff. That is, except for a few organs, including your brain, that still need glucose. So, how does your body supplement this need? Well, first, the triglycerides from the fat stores of your body are divided into glycerol and free fatty acids. The glycerol is then sent to the liver, where it's converted into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. This way, your body doesn't have to resort to breaking down muscle mass to supplement the glucose needed by organs such as your brain. It's amazing how resourceful our body can be when needed. 48 to 72 hours. Once your fasting continues past the 48-hour point, processes such as autophagy and reduced inflammation will reach their peak. Pretty much every benefit of fasting will be magnified, such as increased HGH levels and immunity. These improvements will continue up until the end of the third day of fasting ends. Near the 54-hour mark, your insulin levels will be at their lowest yet. The reduction in insulin is actually great for countering insulin resistance. Insulin resistance happens when your body gets used to high levels of insulin, eventually leading to diabetes. Fasting is a great way to prevent insulin resistance in your body. Finally, when you are at the 72-hour mark, you will get another reward for your fasting, as a hormone called IGF-1 decreases. IGF-1 is a growth and development hormone. A decrease in this hormone can trigger stem cell production and help create new immune cells. This, in turn, helps prevent aging and diseases such as cancer. During the second and third days of fasting, you will also experience great mental clarity and a stable mood thanks to the increased BDNF and ketones. But if you're new to long-term fasting, then you may have to put up with some side effects. So be careful of those. The side effects can include headaches, aches or pain through your body, reduced energy levels, and problems with digestion. If you think at any point that fasting is doing any harm to your health, it's best to stop and see a doctor. Aside from that though, fasting has tons of great health benefits, as you can tell from this video. So, if you think it's for you, definitely give it a try. Before clicking off the video, be sure to share your experience doing 3-day fasts in the comment section below and share the video with other fitness lovers like yourself. Also, please like and subscribe for more fascinating content like this. Make sure to ring the bell icon to get alerted of new videos.